All right, let me pull up these teams real quick. Let me look at who everybody got. Chicago Bears, 49ers, Detroit Lions. Kane got the Steelers. Simon got my... Is this the right one? Who do I got? I know this is the right one if I got damn Saints. Am I missing something? Let me see. Give me 1 second. I got to pull up so I can see the names before we get started. I know everybody in the rush. But hold up. I got to make sure we good. That's the wrong one. All right, there we go. Yup. Kane Santos got Miami. Trevor got Kansas City. John got Los Angeles. Y'all all know y'all teams. Mike Flores got the Chargers. Good luck to everybody. Shout out to Jay. Thanks for checking us out, brother. Make sure you check us out. You ain't got to spend money to chill, talk shit, and post stuff on the board. You know what I mean? So appreciate you joining us. Let's see what we got going on. Good luck to everybody. Y'all know the deal. Everybody on the board, 19 folks right now. Y'all go ahead. Oh, shit. God damn, tequila already kicking in. Y'all go ahead and welcome Jay to the board for me, please. I appreciate that much. Let's get it started. Let's see what we doing. Left side, right side. Let's see what we got going on in here. Appreciate you checking us out. Now let's check out what's first in line. What up, Dave? What up, everybody? First card out. Atlanta Falcons. Beckett, BCCG, mint 10 or better. Deion Sanders, rookie, 1989. Going to the Atlanta Falcons. Todd once again. We're going to have to ban Todd from the board because he's doing too much. There you go right there, Todd. Congratulations on that. Where's my damn holders at? Oh, here they go. Deion Sanders, rookie, 1989 score. Congratulations on that, Todd. Congratulations on that. Todd is eating. Can't be mad at him. Appreciate the support. I'd keep playing too if I was you. Next card up. Good luck to the next person who's going to step up to the plate. Tua Tagovailoa going to Kane Santos. Tua Tagovailoa, 149, number to 149. 148 of 149. Nice. Another Tua. Kane, congratulations. If you're on here, I know I ain't going to say it, but all good. Congratulations on that. Kane at least appreciate when he hits anything. I never get any bad remarks out of Kane. Fire, Kane. Congratulations on that hit. Can somebody tag Kane in case he ain't on here? He probably in a chokehold by his girlfriend. Next up. So we got Deion Sanders, rookie up first. We got Tua Tagovailoa. 3, it looked like a 2 jersey and a football relic. A 3 relic. Next card up. How disrespectful is Kane? He gets the Dolphins and he don't even tune in to see what's going on. How disrespectful. Tennessee Titans, Steve McNair. Rest in peace, Steve McNair autograph. Numbered 4 of 5. Steve McNair. If you don't know the story behind Steve McNair, he had a girlfriend on the side. She suicided her and then him, or him and then her. Steve McNair. Tennessee Titans going to Steven Dees. There you go, brother. One more time for Steven Dees. Rest in peace, Steve McNair. If you don't know the story, you can Google it on YouTube, and they got a whole little documentary on it. Check it out. Prime Signature Cuts. What year? 2003. 4 of 5. Kane. That's what happened. Congratulations. Steve McNair. Nice. Let me see. I got one more stand. I know I do. There we go. People just going to have to get replaced as we go, because it could just be getting hotter. Let's see what's up next. Appreciate everybody who helped close it out. I know it got kind of tight at the end. Tomorrow being Wednesday, we could take a break from this. Thursday, we could take a break and wait for the weekend. But like I said, I appreciate everybody who stepped up and closed out a spot on here. Let me bring this down a little bit. No, you don't, Kane. Don't fake it. Don't fake it for the board right now. Let's go. God damn. Next up, Patty Mahomes Select Gem Mint 10 2019 Panini Select. Going to Trevor Dotson. Going to Trevor. Trevor also won the Jordan Love numbered to 10 vault the other night. So Trevor's hot with us. We appreciate the support, Trevor. He didn't win the Super Bowl, but I promise you this will always hold its value. Congratulations. Gem Mint 10. Perfect card. Perfect card. Patty Mahomes. I don't even know who to take down. We're just going to leave Patty chilling over here by Tua. Hold on. I got to fix so you can see Tua's face at least. There we go. Lean on Tua since you need somebody to lean on. Nice, nice. 4 cards already. Let me fix the camera so we can see them all. Small recap. We got a rated 10, 1989 score, Deion Sanders. Rest in peace, Steve McNair, 4 of 5. A Gem Mint 10, Patty Mahomes. And a Tua Tagovailoa 3 relic autograph. Next up, Next up. 2 more. Two more. Good luck to everybody. Again, we appreciate everybody who checked in with us, who supports the breaks. It's just random as hell, but I know the hobby boxes weren't showing this much love as we broke them. So, next up, Dallas Cowboys, Amari Cooper rookie, jersey, numbered to 25, 2015, going to the Dallas Cowboys, Jordan. Nice hit, Jordan. Congratulations on that. Numbered to 25. Jordan, appreciate you, brother. Rookie, Amari Cooper rookie. If you're not a Dallas Cowboy fan, I'm sure somebody won't mind taking that off you. Immaculate Collection rookie. Nice. Everything out these bitches so fire, boy. I can't even call it. Oh, my God. Last card. I appreciate everybody tuning in with us tonight. Like I said, we can give a break tomorrow from it. I know that it's a lot of the same people supporting. I'm hoping with this continuous heat that we keep pulling from all these boxes, that we continue to get more and more people to play. At least see what's up. I feel like this is even better than the than the raffles, especially the chance that you can to hit and the value on the return. Good luck to everybody. Last card. San Francisco 49ers, number /10, Brandon Ayuk. Brandon Ayuk going to Steven D's once again, Steven. God damn, Steven. Number /10, Brandon Ayuk. Nice. Ooh, Steven with his 2 hits. Number /10, Steve McNair. Deion Sanders, rookie, BCCG, number /10, 1989 rookie, already graded. On card, Amari Cooper, number /25, a perfect card, 10, Gem Mint 10, PSA, Patty Mahomes Select, and Tua Tagovailoa for the night. Congratulations to all the players. We'll set up these cards real quick so everybody can get a look at them. I feel like that's disrespectful doing Tua like that here. I'll just hold this one right here. I don't know if y'all, let me see. I don't know. Y'all can see good enough. Hell, it's all good. Again, like I said, I appreciate everybody who continues to support. Every night won't be your night, but when your hit comes across, like these gentlemen did, congratulations to everybody. Again, Amari Cooper, Steve McNair, Tua Tagovailoa, Mila quit, Deion Sanders, rookie, Brandon Ayuk, number /10, and then a perfect 10 select 2019 Patrick Mahomes. I appreciate everybody again. Another heater box full of heat. I don't know what to say. I'll see y'all guys next time.